Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making creamy pea potato soup. For this we need 1 bowl green pea, 1 teaspoon butter, sugar, 1 teaspoon, very finely chopped potato, peeled and chopped, 1 to 2 teaspoon cheese, mint leaf, 1 onion very finely chopped, oil, salt to taste, black pepper, add 1 teaspoon of butter and 1 teaspoon of refined oil. Add half very finely chopped onion and then add 2 to 3 teaspoon very finely chopped potato. Add approximately 100 grams of green pea. Add 1 teaspoon sugar, salt to taste. Now add 1 glass of milk, approximately 250 ml of milk, and let it boil. Now our milk is boiling. Add 2 teaspoons of processed cheese. Now add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Cook till cheese is melt, approximately 2 minutes. Now add mint leaf, 3 to 4 mint leaf. Stir again and let it cool down. Once it is cool, then transfer it into a blender and again transfer it to a pan and bring it to a boil. And now your creamy pea potato soup is ready. Very tasty, creamy and cheesy pea potato soup is ready. Thank you.